When I moved here to the Immaculate Apartment a couple years plus ago, Solari Enterprises FURRBALL. I've changed the name. Very hairy. Told me that Solari Enterprises and this apartment have to answer to like 20 different, give or take, organizations, regulatory agencies, and one of those has called the FURRBALL into his office, and the secretary comes into the office from the reception area and says, "Oh, Solari Enterprises representative is here," and he says, "Well, he must be very hungry. I can hear him growling from out there, and his stomach growling." She says, "No, he's very hairy."